Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to convert iPhone photo to JPEG. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to convert your photos from your iPhone, whether RAW, PNG or JPEG, to a JPG on your iPhone, is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then once you open the Photos app, locate the photo you want to convert. So just go ahead, search through, and locate the photo you wish to convert. Let's say this particular photo. Now, to convert the photo, click on the share button at the bottom left. Swipe up, locate and click on Save to Files. Now select the source. You can also come here, delete the name, and give this a name. After that, click on the check mark. Once you save this to your files, exit the Photos app. Go ahead and open the Files app. Now, once you open the Files app, locate the photo, press and hold it, swipe up, locate and click on Quick Actions. Now, you want to go ahead and click on Convert Image. Now, to convert the image, then you should see the format you can convert the image to. Go ahead and select JPEG from the format, and then select original size. Then you should see the file format converted. Now you can now click on the converted photo, then click on share at the top right, click on save image. Once you click on save image, this is going to save the photo back to your iPhone Photos app like this, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to convert iPhone photo to JPG. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.